Basic Korean phrases for beginners. Annyeonghaseyo. Hello in Korean. Welcome to our Korean language learning series on YouTube. In this first video, we'll be teaching you some basic Korean phrases for beginners. Learning Korean can be challenging, but with our help, you'll be able to communicate in Korean in no time. So, let's get started. Phrase 1. Annyeonghaseyo. Hello. The first phrase is annyeonghaseyo, which means hello. You can use this phrase to greet someone you're meeting for the first time or to greet someone in a formal situation. When saying annyeonghaseyo, it's important to bow slightly as a sign of respect. Phrase 2. Annyeonghae. If you're greeting someone you're already familiar with or someone you're on friendly terms with, you can use the word annyeong instead of annyeonghaseyo. It's a more casual way of saying hello, and you don't need to bow when saying annyeong. Phrase 3. Gamsahamnida. Thank you. Gamsahamnida means thank you. This is a polite way to express your gratitude, such as when someone does something nice for you or helps you. You can also say kamsahamnida, which is a variation of gamsahamnida. Phrase 4. Myeonhamnida. Sorry. Myeonhamnida means sorry. You can use this phrase when you make a mistake, inconvenience someone, or want to apologize for something. You can also say chosonghamnida, which is a more formal way of saying sorry. Phrase 5. Jal jineseoyo. How are you? Jal jineseoyo means, how are you? You can use this phrase to ask how someone is doing or feeling. The response to this question is usually, ne, jal jineseoyo, which means, yes, I'm doing well. If someone is not doing well, they might say, anio, garoj. And jineseoyo, which means, no, I'm not doing well. That's it for this video on basic Korean phrases for beginners. We hope you found this video helpful, and that you feel more confident in speaking Korean. Practice these phrases with your friends or family, and try using them in everyday conversations. Remember, learning a new language takes time and practice, but with dedication and patience, you can do it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Korean language learning videos. Annyeong.